Now I'll tell you the easiest way to learn piping design engineering without paying any amount. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and I am Subhash Chandran. In last couple of weeks, I've been receiving some of the queries regarding piping design engineering course from some candidates asking that is there any other way to learn piping design engineering at cheaper price, at a low cost? Because when they approached some institutes have charged them nearly around a huge amount of money, around 1 lakh rupees. So they were not in a position to pay that much amount actually, but still they wanted to learn piping design engineering. Then I told them there are more easiest way, you don't have to pay any money at all actually. It just need your dedication and focus. But it is not that simple, you have to focus every single day and you have to systemize your learning. So I told them some of the simplest ways. So I thought that I would share with you so that it will be useful for you also. So here the first thing is that we have to understand why certifications are done. See, the piping design engineering course certifications are done to add more value to the CV, because when your CV goes to an interviewer will check your certification. So that will give an idea that you know something about this particular subject. But if you don't have CV, then it will not create such an image in the interviewer's mind. But it is not so. Even if you construct your CV in such a way that highlighting all your learnings in piping, that is more than enough. Because I am a person who believes in skills actually. The skills need not to be authorized using certificates. You can also mention these skills in bullet points in your CV and you must be in a position to demonstrate during the interview. That's it actually. Now I'll tell you the easiest way to learn piping design engineering without paying any amount. If you have paper and pen, just note it down actually. The first step is that go to my channel, check my playlist. I already made some of the basic videos actually. It will help you to improve the very basics of piping design. So it will be very helpful for beginners who are completely new in piping. And second step I would recommend is that follow any 2 YouTube channels actually, any 2 YouTube channels that are publishing materials regarding piping design. Don't follow more than 2 YouTube channels because the number of materials will be immense, so you will not be able to focus actually. You can follow my channel. If you follow my channel, it will be more complementing to me actually. But I would recommend you can follow any channel that you are interested. So this is the second step. Third step is that I will recommend 3 books, because see, the first step you are learning the basics from my channel, and second is that you are randomly going through a lot of videos, but you also have to cultivate the systematic way of learning actually. That's one of the reason I am recommending the books actually. So I will recommend 3 important books actually. This will be very useful for you to cultivate the systematic way of learning. I will tell you the books in order in which that you have to study actually. The first book, the name of the first book is that I will show the picture on the slides on the side actually. The first book is that Pipe Drafting and Designing by Roy Parishar. So this book is a wonderful book. It gives you a very detailed the basic knowledge about the piping design, and it will also show you the symbols of the pipe fittings and how to draw pipe fittings and all actually. This is one of the best book according to me for beginners. And then I would say the second book, The Fundamentals of Piping Design by Peter Smith. This is one of the most wonderful book that I have ever read actually. So, and it is more easiest to understand also. So, once again let me tell you The Fundamentals of Piping Design by Peter Smith. I'll just share the picture on the sides actually. The third book is one of my favorite book actually, and which is one of my core books. Even now I used to refer this. And the title of the book is Process Plan, Layout and Piping Design by Roger Hunt and Ed Boss Becker. Sorry to pronounce the name incorrectly. So basically it's written by Roger Hunt basically. So this book is one of my favorite book, and it's a core piping engineering book. It will not only educate you about piping design, it will also educate you about the overall process plan design. So these 3 books, just follow these 3 books actually. It will be very helpful for you to systemize your learning basically. So these are the 3 steps to learn piping theories. But in order to learn piping softwares, you have no other choice. You have to go to institutes. Otherwise, I'll tell you one of the easiest way actually. You can find a person who can teach outside the institute so that he will charge less actually. So you can find this person through LinkedIn, because a lot of professionals are working. They will have the software at home. They will be ready to teach you software at a very minimal cost actually. You can try this actually. But learning a software is really must actually, because for learning a software you have to have a software. Without having a software you can't learn the software options by YouTube videos or YouTube channels. That is not possible to learn piping softwares actually. So at least for piping softwares you have to pay some minimum amount. So as I told you, try to find some professionals, working professionals other than those who are in institutes. So they will charge very minimal amount to teach you these types of softwares. That's it guys. if you like this video, please share with your friends who are actually looking for this kind of information. It will be really helpful for them to learn about this piping design engineering at free of cost. So I'll meet you in another fantastic video. If you like this video, please give me a like, and don't forget to give me a like actually, and also share with your friends. I'll meet you in another fantastic video. Until then, bye from Subhash Chandran.